All right, guys, this is the ninth hard request on the current hard request list. This is a song called Patience by Take That. Let's listen to the intro here. Let's have a little patience and so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're going to do the part one lesson right here. All the lessons for this whole thing will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I even have complete beginner lessons if you're totally lost or you just need to start with the very basics. I have 79 beginner lessons on the site to get you going. And here we go with this. To find what I'm transcribing, it's a video done on YouTube about 9 years ago, and it reminds us of how the videos looked. The technology has gotten so much better with video and audio, but it's a great video. It's called Take That, Patience. That's the title of it. It's a guy doing a piano cover, just playing and singing, and it's a really good arrangement, and that's what I'm doing. So you can find that on YouTube. But let's get this intro done. What we have is F minor, A flat, D flat, and E flat, as a lot of songs do. You just have a 4-chord progression that repeats over and over. That doesn't stay like that. It eventually changes, but F minor, A flat, D flat, E flat. In case you were wondering, some people like to think of chords, some people don't. I recommend trying to think about them. It kind of gives you a roadmap. But we have F in the left hand, and then we're going to go C, F, C. Let me take the string off. I have a string layered with the piano. So here we go. So we're back to just piano sound. F in the left hand, and then C, F, C in the right. And then we'll go to our A flat chord. A flat in the left, and the right hand, E flat, A flat, E flat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And just make sure you change the pedal each chord. Pedal, pedal. I think I have a pedaling video on YouTube if you want to get more in depth on how to pedal. That I did quite a while ago. But the next measure, we have a D flat chord, D flat on the left. Right hand does A flat, E flat, A flat, 1 and 2 and then for the fourth chord, the E flat chord, E flat on the left. Right hand goes B flat, E flat, B flat. So for that second measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you're going to do that 6 times all together. This whole thing 6 times. He plays 2 times, then he starts singing and does it 4, and that's how we end up with 6. I think the 4th time he does it, we're going to use those little notes that are in a smaller script there. So he goes through the 4th time. Then he's going to do the E flats. Don't worry about the D flat yet. Just do E flat. Do you have to do that? No. But that's what he does. Just happens to do that 4th time. So if you want to put E flats there instead of nothing on the right hand, you can add that. All right. And then the 5th time, he does basically the same thing. And then that last time, the 6th time, he's going to do a D flat there. He's going to go and then E flat. So that 6th time he does D flat and E flat. So those are just little bitty things. If you'd like to add those, you can. The guy does in the video. But so the first time is intro. Here's the big letters. Here's the second time. Still intro. Then he's singing, "Let's have a little patience." Now we're on the 3rd time. 4th time. Now we can do E flat. See, I play those extra E flats in the right hand. 5th time. And the 6th time. Here we go. D flat. E flat. So you can add those little changes in there if you want. But that's the intro. And then we get really into it there. And of course, it is on YouTube. Again, the title of that YouTube video is Take That, Patience. And Just, a guy doing a piano cover and singing, and not too terribly difficult, but it sounds very good. That's the kind of things you want when you're a beginner or an intermediate, or things that aren't really that hard, but they sound really cool, really boost your confidence, and you get to play some fun stuff and enjoy the music. Feel like you're accomplishing something. Anyway, there's the part one. See you guys on webpianoteacher.com, and we'll talk to you later.